Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Flat. Today is Thursday, April 23rd. I hope you have a great day of learning. Let's talk over what we're going to be learning today. So 6-ish, you're going to continue to read some poetry, working on expression and fluency. And then you have phonics today to work on. And then you have quite a few pages to work on dealing with your 3D shapes. 7th, you are going to review the friendly letter format, and then today you are going to be writing a friendly letter and you're going to try to persuade someone to eat a healthy snack. And all the directions are in your lesson plan today. It should be fun. You're going to be working on your rough draft. Then you're going to be working on spelling in your reader's notebook page, and spelling sentences and practice of your spelling words. Then for math, you're going to be adding and subtracting lengths with a number line today. So you have quite a bit of work with your literacy today. But I think the videos that I put up will help you a little bit, and read the directions really carefully. And have a great day of learning, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Bye. Have a great day, guys.